Today we're making barbecue chicken loaded onion rings as an American cuisine with full of flavors. Take a plastic poly bag and add onion rings, 1 cup of flour, 1 teaspoon of salt and 1 teaspoon of pepper in it. Shake to coat well and evenly. Take a bowl and add 1 whisked egg and 1½ cup buttermilk. Mix it well. Dip each onion ring into the liquid mixture and then into the breadcrumbs, pressing to coat. Fry each onion ring until golden brown, set aside on a cooling rack to drain. Take a bowl and add 1/2 tablespoon of smoked paprika, 1/2 teaspoon of mustard powder, 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of ground cumin, 1 teaspoon of chili powder, 1/2 teaspoon salt, 1/2 teaspoon pepper, 1 tablespoon of oil. Mix all the ingredients. Coat the chicken breast in the mixture well. Arrange on a tray and bake for 25 minutes at 180 Celsius. In a saucepan, add 400 grams ketchup, 200 grams brown sugar, 150 megaliters cider vinegar, 200 megaliters orange juice, 2 cloves of crushed garlic, 2 teaspoon of smoked paprika, 1 teaspoon salt and 2 teaspoon of pepper. Cook until it begins to boil, then lower to simmer until thickened. Now shred the chicken. Take a large bowl and add shredded chicken, 10 crispy bacon, 4 chopped spring onions and sauce in it. Mix all the ingredients. Lay half of the onion rings and top with half of the barbecue chicken. Top with remaining onion rings and barbecue chicken. Now sprinkle cheese on top. Grill for 5 minutes at 180 Celsius. Now garnish it with spring onions. Enjoys the delicious barbecue chicken loaded onions rings. Share and watch this space for more easy and quick recipes. Enjoy.